Namaste, my dear students. Hope you all are good. Stay home and stay safe. Today, continuation of lesson 2 from civics, achieving equality. So, dear children, can you tell me what we have learnt in previous class? Good. Religious discrimination and socio-economic inequality. Hope you understand the topic. So, in today's class, we are going to learn about caste discrimination. So before move on to this topic, let me explain what is meant by discrimination. Discrimination can be defined as negative actions towards people. Okay, let's start the topic. Caste discrimination. Caste system is the most dominant reason for inequality and discrimination in India. In other words, a caste system is a class structure that is determined by birth. The caste system originated in the Varna system of the Vedic Aryan society. So, in the beginning, Varna was an occupation-based flexible social division. For example, see this picture. So, priests are called Brahman, warriors or soldiers are called Kshatriyas, merchants or businessmen are called Vaishyas, common laborers, musicians, dancers, etc. called Shudras. In the later Vedic society, the Varna system was expanded into a rigid, discriminatory, birth-based graded caste divisions. Many people in India have fought against caste oppression. The most prominent among them was Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. He belonged to a such depressed family and suffered discrimination throughout his childhood. He fought actively for the annihilation of caste so as to ensure equality among all the citizens of India. So dear children, hope you understand this caste discrimination which we learnt in today's class. And the next topic is gender discrimination. So what is meant by gender? So it determines male or female, right? So what is gender discrimination? Gender discrimination takes place due to the prejudiced treatment of men and women based on gender alone. Gender discrimination refers to health, education, economic, and political inequalities between men and women. For example, a girl is not allowed to go to college after finishing her schooling. Similarly, most of the girls are not allowed to select a career of their choice. Rather, they are forced into marriage. In some families, girls are not allowed to wear modern dresses, while boys in such families often wear modern dresses. So in today's class, we learned about the gender discrimination, right? So we have learned two types of discrimination in today's class, caste and gender discrimination. So hope you understand, children. So kindly watch this video twice, thrice, as many times you can to get a clear vision of this lesson. Thank you, children.